Hello friends, today I am very excited because we are going to configure Ambari 3.0, like Hortonworks 3.0 we can say. So it's provided new UI, and like I'm very excited to configure new UI, and I want to see first time this new UI. So username is admin and password is as admin as usual. Okay, it's taking time. Oh my god. Okay, so launch wizard is pretty good. Wow. So we are here. We need to put a cluster name. I'm putting demo version. Let it be 3.0 and default everything because we are not configuring using local repo. So let it be. Next. Okay. You need to put our okay. I have put it host name, fully qualified domain name here, and private key here. Okay, and root is a super user. Okay, you can create your own user and you can provide sudo access to that particular user. After that, we'll confirm and register. So start it. Cross your finger. It's registering. Boom. Now it's pretty cool, right? New UI. But it changes one thing. uh, Earlier it was asking password, it would as a username or any username and password you can enter, but now you have to enter private key. Okay, then next, now we can choose our services. Oh my god, choosing all services. So now we are going to yarn, hive, no HBase, no zookeeper, uh, Kafka, no Kafka, no, no, no. Okay, so okay. Right. I think it will ask taste as well. Did it taste? You have to select taste. Uh, Next, Ambari matrix. Where's Ambari matrix? Okay, pretty cool. Ambari matrix is there. Cool. Master, let it be. I'm skipping. Okay, one client. Okay. All, all, all. Cool. Will provide password. Simple as simple. Admin. No, will provide password as a password. Cool. Next. Okay, let it default. Next. Cool. All configuration, you can add one option, but we'll put it default. Okay, database we already configure. Next. Cool. Deploy. Now it's started. It's very fast, pretty impressive. It is done, but it throw some warning, so it's okay because our resources are very low, so it's okay. So we'll continue. Now we'll see error, some error. Okay, cool, good. UI. Some yarn service is down, Ambari matrix is down, or sense is down. So no issue. We can restart it manually, but this resource manager and node manager is down. Resource manager is up and running. Node manager is down, and okay, cool, no issue. So here is the new Ambari UI. It's pretty cool. Here we can enable Kerberos, services, Grafana, everything you can see. It's good, but for new admin or new user, it's pretty hard to understand because I am not getting what is this thing and all. But okay, cool. We have to learn new things. We'll try to start this node manager. Okay, pretty hard, yeah. Start. Let's see. Let's start. Oh, great. Started. The all host. See, node manager started. This stop. Okay, we'll start it. One by one, we need to start it. It's a bit different. Like older one was good. It's a bit hard to understand. Okay, let it start. Grafana, no need. Okay, all service started because we have only one node manager and one data node here, so it's okay. Pretty cool. This is the main dashboard. In this we'll see everything same, but some UI change, or it will take time to understand everything. Notification and all. Okay, cool. So that's it, guys. So this is a new UI of 3.0, HTTP 3.0. See, 3.0, 3.1. Cool. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, if you like this video, do comment, subscribe, like, don't like, it's up to you. Thank you. Thank you very much.